So number 12 is interesting, whereby we have all of a sudden we have the presence of a letter Y. And it says rearrange each of the following to make X the subject. So we're going to solve for X. But the difference here now, we will not get a number because we don't know what Y is. So our answer is going to be an expression with Y in it. Okay? If we replace Y with a number, bam, our final answer X is equal to a particular value. But since we don't know what Y is, our final answer have to have Y in it. It will be an expression. The same rule applies. You start with the number furthest away from X first. That's the -7. To cancel out a -7, you add 7 on both sides. Add 7 here, add 7 there. Since we don't know what Y is, this remains as Y plus 7. If this was a 10, that would be 10 plus 7 is 17, but we do not know what Y is. Y is a variable. So it remains as Y plus 7. So now we're going to divide by 2 on both sides. Now, since Y plus 7 is an expression, we place it in brackets. It's very important because both the Y and the 7 have to divide by 2. It's not just 7 divided by 2 alone. So we enclose Y plus 7 in a pair of brackets. We divide by 2 on the left. On the right, we have to divide by 2 on the left. So you see, both Y and the plus 7 have to be divided by 2. Very important to put brackets when you are dividing two terms. So X is equal to Y plus 7 divided by 2. And here we have another example. This one has a Y and an X, and there's a number dividing, there's a 5 beneath there. It's like part E. So we have to cancel out that plus, that dividing 5 by multiplying. We first cancel out that dividing 5 by multiplying by 5. And if we multiply by 5 here, we have to multiply by 5 there. So we don't know what the value of Y is. Y is not a number. So yes, the 5 cancels out. We are left with 4x plus 2. And Y by 5 is simply 5Y because we don't know what Y is. And now we proceed to cancel out the plus 2 by subtracting. Start with the numbers away from the X. Furthest away from the X first. If we subtract 2 here, we have to subtract 2 here, there. And this remains as 5Y minus 2, an expression. Now we have to divide by 4 to cancel out 4. Since we have a 5Y and a -2, we place them in brackets. So when we divide by 4, because 4 is multiplying, we divide by 4 to cancel it out on the left. We divide both the 5Y and the -2 and close in a bracket, divide them by 4. So you are left with X, but 4 divided by 4 is 1. So you are left with X is equal to 5Y minus 2 divided by 4. So this is the second example for questions like this. Rearranging, making a subject of the formula. And this is a very, very important part in algebra. Please practice all of them, do all of them here, and go in the module and do as many as possible and repeatedly, so that you can create confidence. Practice builds confidence.